Okay, so please be hold on. When I say, you can switch on video. So your videos. Dear students, kindly switch on your videos. I believe that you are room number 1, right? So I'm just exposing you that how the Zoom we can have a group discussion. Okay, this is to have an experience. So you are in a separate room, like that the breakout room will work. Okay, you can also try. So your topic is, so you all people can switch on your video, switch on your audio. That will not be heard to somebody else. Whenever I'm joined, then only I'm able to listen, but everything is recorded. Okay, so your thing is, so we are discussing on a topic called pricing. So you people have to discuss the pricing. For pricing, cost is an important factor. Okay, your topic is, for pricing, cost is an important factor. So please discuss with different examples how they arrived at the price based on the cost. So you have to come up with the example. So different people will be discussing with the different points, but your team have to say, no sir, the cost is an important factor to fixing the price. Okay, any doubt friends? So I have to come up with a different example with a different scenario. You have to explain what are the different types of costs. Please all of you discuss, then I will be connecting to the common room. Okay, so your team has to present. Cost is an important factor for pricing with the example. I don't need any theories. Okay, theory I will give the PPT. Okay, can I move friends? So please you start continuing. So I will be coming back later. Okay, continue. Yes, hello friends. How are you? Please all of you switch on your videos. You belongs to team number 2, room number 2. Please switch on your videos. Hi.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So kindly ensure that all are active. Okay, so this is a just for exposure how we can have a group discussion. Okay, today we are having a group discussion. Whatever you are discussing, that will not be heard to other teams. Okay, so what is your topic is, in pricing there is a concept called, whenever there is a price is increasing, the demand will decrease. It's called as law of demand, right? The price increases, demand decreases. So we are speaking about the pricing. So you all people have to discuss with the various example and have to justify, sir, when I increase the price, the demand will decrease, sir. So how to fix the price only nominally? You have to come up with a different. So it is an economic concept, right? So when the price increases, demand decreases. It's called as law of demand. For that, you have to come up with a different example. So for example, you fix the price. Sir, sometimes when I'm increasing the price, mean the sales is dropped with the previous example. Are you getting the points? For example, initially Coca-Cola was sold for 5 rupees. When it is increased by 5 rupee 50 pies, suddenly all the customers moved to some other product only for just 50 pies. So you have to say, whenever there is an increase in the price, there will be a drop in demand. For fixing the price, we have to be very careful. We have to fix it very less. That is your justification. Okay, friends. So please, all of you switch on your videos. Please discuss with among yourself. And when it is open, all the people will be coming on online and you have to present to other people. Okay. This is called as breakout room. Okay. So whatever you are speaking will not be heard to anyone. So please continue. Clarified, right? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you. I will come back to you later. Yes, good morning friends. So I request the team number 3 to switch on the video. So please all of you keep your video on. Yes, Melvin, Nikshita, Pooja, Minnu, Manuel, Mega, Mary, Neeraj, Mohammed, Mebin. Okay, so this, what you are experiencing is called as a breakout room. Okay, so you are put in a separate room. So whatever you are speaking, whatever you are discussing, it will not be heard to any other group. Okay, so please encourage all the people to switch on their video and you can speak among yourselves. So what the topic is given is, price should be fixed based on the customer need. Price should be fixed based on the customer need. So before fixing the price, you have to find out whether there is a need for the product. If there is a need for the product is existing, means the customers are ready to pay the price. So we are discussing with different factors. Okay, so one team is discussing about a cost, one person is discussing about demand. Likewise, your team, all people have to discuss for fixing the price. First thing we have to understand the customer need. If you are not understanding the customer need, even the pricing we do, it will fail. For this, you have to come up with the practical examples. You have to just, so this is a case study, right? This is a case study. If it is an exam, means you have to write for 3 pages. In the class means you have to speak for 15 minutes with the example. So you all people please discuss. Price should be based on the customer need only. This is your topic. Okay, so please, all of you feel free to discuss among yourself. I will be coming back and you will be put in the common room. Then we will discuss. Okay, so please continue. Yes, here team number 4, please all of you switch on your videos. Yes, now you are experiencing breakout room. Out of 110 students, you are categorized as a separate room. So you are in a separate room. So whatever you are speaking, whoever you are seeing, it will not be visible and audible to others. Okay, it is called as group discussion. It is called as breakout room. In Zoom, there is an option called breakout room. Ritika, please switch on your video. So the team number 4, what is the topic you people have to discuss is, we are discussing about pricing, right? Pricing is based on the competition. Pricing should be based on the competition. So you team, the 10 people have to 12 people have to justify, sir, when we are fixing the price, first thing we have to see the competition level, competition price, competition benefit. So before fixing the price, the important factor is competition. So please, all of you discuss, come up with a lot of examples to justify this point. This is one of the case study. Okay, pricing should be based on the competition. Any doubt, friends? So you can speak to you all. Please switch on your videos. Everything is recorded. After 10 to 15 minutes, I will be putting everybody in a common room. Then you have to contribute. Like we are in a class, you have to discuss with each other. Each people have to come up with a different examples. I need example to justify the point. Okay, friends? Yes. So
Yes, sir.
please continue. I'll be coming back after a few minutes. Yes, team number 5. Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, all. Please, all of you switch on your videos. Okay, Smita, Thomas, Tenny, Sudhakar, Swati, Joel, how are you all?
Good, sir.
Okay, so now we are experiencing an option called the breakout room. In a Zoom, it is called as breakout room. So you are assigned in a separate room. You are in a separate room. You are doing a group discussion. Why you are doing a group discussion? We are discussing about a concept called pricing. So every team is given with a different point. Your point is, please write down. Pricing is always an important tool in marketing. Pricing is always an important tool in marketing. So we have different tools, right? Okay, advertisement we can say, distribution we can say, but you people have to come up with the example that, sir, if I want to go for a marketing, it is based on pricing only. If the pricing is wrong, mean the marketing will not work out. Okay, this is the case. For this, you have to come up with a different examples. Okay, so whatever you are speaking, you only able to hear it. Then later I will be put with the debate with another team. So you should be ready with a lot of example and you have to counter it. For getting the point? Okay. Sure. Please continue. I will be coming back soon. Yes, good morning, friends. Please, all of you switch on your video. Yes, Hari, Arshit, plus Ayush, Jacob, Alan Augustine, Aline, Ivan, Feba, Jackson. Okay. Good morning, friends. Happy to see you all. So now what you are experiencing is called as a breakout room. In the Zoom, there's an option called a breakout room. Okay. So you are assigned with the topic. Please write down the topic. Pricing should not be an important tool for marketing. Pricing should not be an important tool for marketing. For a note, we can say bracket always, not always, because it is important. But your team has to say that, sir, we should do marketing without focusing on pricing. Okay, so another team will be saying that pricing is an important factor. They will be discussing. Okay, the friends. So you have to come up with the points. In marketing, pricing should not be an important point. So for example, I will say you are fixing with the price 5. I am fixing with the price 4. Next you are coming with the price 3. I am coming with the price 2. If you are competing with the pricing, mean both will fail. Correct? And another thing, if you branded a price with a 10 rupee, because of a cost, because of a tax, you are increasing by 11 rupees, mean the customer will not buy you. So whenever you are doing marketing, please don't focus pricing more, except the profit. If you focus more on pricing, mean is something you have to adjust, mean then it will be complete failure. This is the concept. You please all have to come up with your own examples, practical corporate examples. What are the companies which failed because of focus on the pricing? What are the companies are successful because they are not focusing on the pricing? Got it, friends? So please, all of you, keep your videos on. Please feel that you are discussing face to face. Whatever you are speaking will not be audible to others. So it is a closed room. Okay? So please experience after a few minutes, you have to defend your points in the common forum. Okay? Yes.
So we are supposed to talk, hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, are we supposed to talk for and against the topic?
No. You have to speak that pricing is not an important tool.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Another team will be speaking differently. Another team will say that pricing is important. You have to say, no, sir, we should not keep the pricing as the important tool. We have to focus on advertisement. We can spoke on some other things that if we speak pricing, mean that will affect our brand image. Like that, you have to speak.
Yes, I got it. Thank you.
So that is the concept called a non-price competition. We have to compete without using the tool called price. Then only we can survive. That is one concept. Okay? Yes. Yes, good morning, team number 7, I believe. So please, all of you, switch on your videos. Yes, so Ronnie, Reshma, Nikita, Jomi, Jetlin, Joel, I'm unable to see you. Ophelia, Mebin, Rachana. Joel, you have to change the camera setting. Joel Johnson, you might be having some problem with the video. Rachana.
So I can't switch on my video. I've already messaged you saying why I can't switch on my video.
Okay, so I will check. So friends, this what is the option you are seeing is called as a breakout room. In the Zoom, there is an option called a breakout room. I can put some students in a separate room. So assume that this is a classroom. You are here, nobody other than you. So you people have to discuss for a few minutes and come up with a lot of examples justifying. Please write down. Pricing should be based on the ability of the customer to pay. Pricing should be based on the ability of the customer to pay. Okay, so we are discussing about a pricing topic. There are a lot of topics are there. Next class only we are going for types of pricing. Already you did the assignment, right? You observed, but now what you are doing, you are taking only one concept. Okay, so price, when we are going for fixing the price, we have to check the affordability, income level, their savings, whether they are able to pay or not. Then only we have to fix up the price. Okay, so other team will be discussing about my cost, my profit, etc. But you have to say, apart from all this, the customer should have money to pay, right? So I have to fix the price based on their ability only. For this, you have to collect various examples from the industry. You can come up with a different example and you have to justify that customer ability is very important factor before fixing the price. Okay, so you all please active and discuss. After 10 minutes, you will be putting in the common forum in front of the 110 people and you have to justify your points. Okay. Any doubt, friends? So please all of you discuss, browse, come up with the points. It is a group discussion and everything is recorded. Okay. So please do actively. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, team number 8.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So team number 8, please all of you switch on your videos. Yes. Yes, Thomas, George, Alan, Evangeline, Harshita,
Yes, sir.
Sharon, Tija, Sam. Yes. So Alan, Sharon, Tija, Sam. If anybody is inactive means you will be marked as absent. Okay. Friends, this is called as breakout room. What you are experiencing is called as a breakout room. It is a part of Zoom. There's an option is Zoom in the paid account. Okay. So now you are going for a group discussion. Already I had given 10 different topics to different people with respect to the pricing. Your thing is, whenever we are going for fixing the price, I have to consider the income level and occupation of the customers. There are different factors. Cost is a factor, profit is a factor, demand is a factor, competition is a factor. But your team have to say, before fixing the price, have to check with their, so we have a word called demography. In the demography, income and occupation, I have to check before fixing the price. So for pricing, income level and occupation is a very important factor for fixing the price. This is a topic. So all people have to switch on your video, switch on your audio. You have to discuss among yourselves. Actually, you are going for a group collected activity. You have to come up with the examples. I don't need any theories. Come up with a practical example to justify, sir, if I have a product, if I am going to fix the price, first I will get the details of their income or occupation. Then only I will fix the price. Got the point? So after 10 minutes, you will be putting in a common forum. You have to justify your points in front of others. Other people will be with the different points. Somebody will say cost, somebody will say profit, and you have to defend with the example. Don't say it is important, it is important. You have to say why it is important with the examples. Okay? So you alone are there. Please be active, and I will be coming back after 10 minutes. Okay? So I have only 10 minutes. Please prepare fast. Here, team number 9. Please, all of you switch on your videos. Team number 9. Yes, Adira, Manisha, Abhirami, Christy, Cyrus, Leo, Macy, Abhi, please switch on your videos. Yes, friends. What you are experiencing is called as a breakout room. The Zoom, there is an option called a breakout room. I can put any people in a separate room. Now you are a group, okay? Whatever you are discussing will be heard only to you. Whatever you are speaking is only within you. Okay, so after 10 minutes, I will be closing the room. Then you all will come to the common place. Okay, assume that you are in a different place. After that, you are coming to the common place. What the topic is assigned is, there is a concept called the law of demand, right? When the price increases, demand decreases. That is called as law of demand. But there is a law of exception of demand. Sometime, if we increase the price, the demand will increase. Yes or no? Mostly, if you increase the price, the demand will decrease. But sometimes, if you increase the price, the demand will increase. If you decrease the price, demand will decrease. Can anyone say example for your understanding? The gold price is increasing, so we are investing more and more. iPhone price is high, so we are buying that product. If the iPhone is available at 5,000 rupees, we won't buy. The gold comes to 100 rupees, means we won't invest on gold. Correct? So, whenever there is an increase in price, we will try to buy. That is called as exemption of law of demand. It is called as exception of law of demand, or it is called as Veblen effect in economics. You will be studying this in economics. It is called as Veblen effect, VEBLEN, Veblen effect. Whenever there is an increase in the price, the customer tends to buy the product more. So this is a concept. So you have to come up with a lot of example, mostly with respect to the premium product. Okay. So this company tried like this. As they are charging more, many people are buying. This is against the law of demand. Whenever there is an increase in the price, there will be increase in demand. So you have to say that if I am starting a company, if I am going to launch a product, I will fix the price at high. I won't fix up the local normal price level. So this is the justification you have to give. Another team will be speaking, no, sir, it is not okay because there is another side is there. They will be speaking different way. So thing is, you have to come up with examples, company examples to justify. Got it, friends? So please be interactive. It is only within you. You have to come up with a lot of examples. You should be able to defend your points. Okay. So all the best. I will come back to you in the common forum.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Please continue your discussions. Yes, dear team number 10. I hope you are feeling relaxed for more than 15 minutes. All of you, please switch on your videos. So please keep your videos and audios on. Okay, so till you come to the common forum, what you are experiencing is called as a breakout room. In the Zoom, there is an option called a breakout room where I can put everybody in your separate place. So what is the topic assigned to you is, while fixing a price, profit is an important factor. We are discussing about different factors. Okay, profit is an important factor in pricing. Okay, this is your topic. So you have to come up with a different example when you are fixing for the price for a car or whatever it may be. First point I will consider is a price, is profit. Some other people will be speaking about cost is important. Some other people will be speaking competition is important. Some other people will say some other thing, income is important. But you have to say, if I am going to fix a price for a product, for me profit is important. Because please say some other corporate example, how they fix the price, how they arrive at the price. Got it, friends? So you have to justify profit is an important factor for fixing the price. So you can discuss, you can browse, you can come up with a lot of example, but you have to justify profit is an important factor. If some team is coming with no, cost is important factor, means you have to argue. But not just like that argue, you have to come up with an example. Got it, friends? So please, all of you interact positively. After a few minutes, I will be putting you in a common forum. You should be ready to speak for your point. Okay, got it, friends?
Yes, sir.
Yes, any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, please continue. Be active. I will be monitoring silently. Except others, I can see you. Okay, so please interact positively. Yes.
Okay, hi.
Hello, everyone.
Hi guys.
Hi. How you all want it to go? Like, do you have any examples so far? I feel, yeah, profit is
For the middle part of the market, this part of market needs to see the value for money, a careful mix of both quality and price. If we focus on quality relationship,
Dear students, are you doing meditation?
No, sir.
Please interact, sir. This is a group discussion.
So
Each people give your own points. It's not to collect the details individually.
no, so we took different different products and services, sir. So we took like restaurants, phone, fashion, automobile, and laptops. So through this, we are going to explain
Yes.
like how cost incurs and how cost is important.
Yeah, that's true, but you people should know what are the preparation from other side. Okay, there are 12 students are means you should have a clarity what are the points they are going to defend. So, okay, so we have only less minute, so please prepare fast. All the best. Yes, team number 2. Why this team is so silent?
We have mostly finished our discussion, sir.
Okay, okay. So just to refresh, so we'll be starting in few minutes. Okay. Yes.
Where you give them a impact of
no, psychological pricing is only about the price. It's the price, like 2,999, 3,999. Yeah, that is psychological pricing.
That is different. This is different.
Yeah.
This is like when you want to finish off your stock, you know. Sort of.
Sir has joined.
Ma'am, I am not disturbing you people. No, please continue. Why you are getting silent? I just want to confirm whether you understand the topic right or not.
We have to justify on the topic which is given to us, right, sir? It's not a question mark. It is.
Yes. So what's your topic? Please tell me.
Price should be based on customer needs.
Yes. So you have to list down the needs. Whenever I am fixing the price, this is the utility he is looking for. So when I am focused on the utility, then it is very easy to sell. So my pricing, so if I am giving more utility, I will fix more price. So my comparison is based on the utility-based pricing, benefit-based pricing, future-based pricing. I have to emphasize on how much extra I am giving, so I am paying more.
So can we bring different types of pricing here?
No. Don't go for concepts. Don't go for concepts. Concepts I will be sharing in the PPT. It's already in LMS. Pricing is based on customer need. I will say the pricing is based on customer profit. Seller's profit. Then you have to say no. So first thing we have to focus on the need, sir. Unless the customer is satisfied with a particular need, you cannot increase or decrease the price, right? So first, I will see the need. Based on the need, I can fix the price. If the product is giving more utility, I can fix more price. So before fixing the price, I should see the customer need, not the cost, not the competition, not my profit. Got it?
Okay, sir, got it.
Yes. So please complete fast.
Yeah.
So how much time do we have?
Already it's over. At any time, I will make you in the common forum.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
One thing. Yeah, so that can be one part of it. And yeah, McDonald's also actually, reduce pricing based on that. So that can be one thing.
But they still keep like their main products separated itself. Like, see, McDonald's is very famous for its peri-peri fries, right? Like many people are trying to adapt this peri-peri fries thing, like in other places.
We are going to do tomorrow. Day after.
Sir,
What is that?
Yes, team, are you ready? Yes. So in few minutes, we will be putting in the common forum. Please ready with your turn.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
In marketing. So there are companies like Starbucks who focus more on green marketing and
Team, are you ready with the discussions? Can we start? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Guys? Hello?
Yes.
I think I have found it in the Google. I will share it with you.
I think we'll be starting now.
Well, anyway, just take that and read it from that.
That is why I'm thinking.
Yeah, that's why
when
the
we-
others may not know it.
But it's okay. We can explain what's
Yeah,
happening now.
we can do that.
But the thing is, we need some branded ones so that we can convince people.
Also,
it's
you can talk about that mag, we get in the big pack.
Yeah.
And it's also written super value pack where you get for less price.
Yeah. Let's see how it goes. Everybody, please speak up. I don't know who else are there in this. Jomi, Joel, maybe Ophelia, Regina, and Sam. Where is he?
Students, I hope all return to your common classroom. Okay. So now all please switch off your videos. Whenever call the team, the two teams should be ready. Okay. I hope that you enjoyed this discussion in private rooms. Okay. So first we will start with the team number 5 and it should be counted by team number 6. Okay. So please all the team number 5 switch on your videos. Please brief for a few minutes. Okay, your topic is pricing is always an important tool in marketing. So team number 6, please listen to the team number 5. After that, you have to counter pricing should not be an important tool in marketing. So we should know both advantage and disadvantages. Okay, so today we might be having a time to discuss with the two teams. Balanced teams should be ready for the next class. So maybe in the 2 or 3 classes, we'll have a full discussion from your point of view. Then we'll go back to the theory. Okay, this way we'll go. Okay, so rather than having because many students said that we have no time to do many assignments in the evening. So let us do in the class itself. No problem. Okay, just you have to think. Yes, team number 5, please start. You can take your lead.
Okay, so as the topic which was given to us is the price. Why pricing is always an important tool in marketing. So pricing is basically the reflection of everything that you do in a business, like from your product development or the way down to a link to your website, because we live in a world driven by a value. So nothing else defines a business and a product more. Let's explore why pricing is truly the most important aspect of your business by uncovering its theoretical roots. And so I would like to, sorry, Thomas.
Pricing is important since it defines the value or the product the businessman is putting. So it is the price that customers are willing to buy, willing to pay for the product and service they are looking. Then
dear team, I already informed that I don't need any theoretical concept. Please show your talent in writing in exam. In assignment and in exam, please write concepts. Now I need example. When whatever you are saying, please come up with some example, company or product or something else. Okay, I need example. Yes, please proceed.
For example, we can take Kingfisher Airlines example. Their service from starting their service was going good, but simultaneously after some years pricing went wrong. Like for example, Stanley, can you?
Yeah, so the Kingfisher used their strategy as in a very cheap pricing
Dear
for
friends, it
very
is not a
luxury
presentation.
travel.
Please listen. It is not a presentation. You will be given only 2 to 3 minutes. Within this, you have to pump as much example as possible. It is not a presentation. I will not be giving 1 minute to all the people. At any time, you will say stop. Then other team will start. So please give as much example as soon as possible. Please use the time properly.
So when Kingfisher started introducing this very cheap pricing with luxury travel, so this was the wrong pricing strategy that Kingfisher had, and due to which Kingfisher suffered a very huge loss in their company. So that is one area where pricing went wrong, and there was a huge loss in the company. So the other example is M&S, as Marks and Spencers, where the company actually had this wrong pricing glitch, which showed that the sale of the certain products were low and they were wrongly priced, and due to which that company also had to experience loss in the company. So pricing plays an important factor in the company, because pricing is what mainly determines the demand and supply.
You took 60 seconds, but you are giving only one example. Please move fast.
I give 2 examples, sir.
Okay, 2. Yes. Next.
Yes, sir. So we came across only these 2 products, 2 companies which had these major problems because of their wrong pricing strategy.
That's it. Only these points from these 12 different creative heads supporting this point. Anything else? Because I already given 2 more minutes, right? You have 1 more minute to say something about it with examples.
Yeah, so pricing, due to the pricing which went wrong, there was the demand and supply also was disrupted because of this wrong pricing strategy. So this is mainly why pricing is a key strategy to improve profits in a long run. So that is mainly why pricing is important in marketing.
Okay, so now the floor is for team number 6. Team number 6.
Okay, good afternoon.
Yes,
good afternoon, everyone. So I'm keeping apart all the theoretical parts. We have a lot of examples wherein we say that price is basically...
Yes, team number 6, please all of you switch on your videos. Team number 6, please all switch on your videos. Please, team number 5, please remind, after 2 minutes, you have to ask some questions. Okay, both teams should be online now. Team number 6 and 5, please switch on the videos. Yes, please start.
Yes, okay. So we have examples wherein pricing is not really important when it comes to marketing. So we've talked about a concept called non-price market competition, wherein it focuses more on value of the brand, loyalty, quality, etc. So one example would be, you know, the chocolate or the toffee called Polo, wherein there are many substitutes for Polo, which is even more cheaper than Polo. But still, if you go to the market, we would still consider Polo because it has a brand value, it has market itself in such a way that we don't care what the price is, but it's Polo. Another example would be shared by Arch.
Sir, as we all know, like pricing is important, but then from our team, we would say that pricing should be based on the value that people get. Also, pricing is very important in positioning a product. Let me take the example of Tata Nano. Tata Nano initially was said that it is one of the cheapest car in India. Also, it was priced at 2 lakh rupees. So it was positioned in the customer's mind as it is the cheapest car. So the sales went high initially, but then later after that, their sales went down because of the same negative aspect. That is that in India, people see cars as a status symbol. So when they buy the cars, they are buying the cheapest car in India. So this was also positioned in their mind that Tata Nano is a cheap car. So pricing has its negative effects like this. As our team would like to say that pricing should be based on competition and based on the product and based on the value that the people get. So at first, we should focus more on creating the value than preparing and focusing on price. Pricing should be the last thing. Also, more examples would be shared by Hariharan and my teammates.
So next I would like to add on telling about iPhones. So iPhones are priced at around 1,50,000, 2 lakh, and the highest value is around 14.7 crores as well. So these kind of iPhones, no matter whatever the price, the brand value creates the market for them. The iPhone is meant for privacy and data is protected. That is what the iPhone states. And no matter whatever the price that the iPhone keeps for a normal, even a normal brand of iPhone, people will go and buy. They won't see the price because they only look at data privacy and protection.
Another example is the company Airbnb. So Airbnb provides its services like it gives you houses or something if you're going on a tourism factor. So what happens in Airbnb is priced. It can be high or low, but no matter what the price is, a lot of tourist people who are going to other countries, instead of going to an actual hotel, they actually prefer stuff like Airbnb because they provide extremely good services. And according to the services that we need, it can be altered also. So Airbnb is like one of the companies that are very, very much preferred by the tourists nowadays also. Another example will be given by my teammates.
So I'm going to taking the example related to the quality. So taking the brand Sephora, beside the prices are very high of that company, but still people go for that company all because due to quality of that product. In the end, the thing is that awareness of the product. Until unless there is awareness of the product, the people are not gonna get the price, get to know about the price of the product. So the quality and awareness all matters.
Some
Yes,
businesses,
sir, I can.
some businesses like Trends and Max is providing this loyalty cards for the customers. This is to ensure that these loyalty cards will help these companies to retain their customers, which will encourage repeat customer satisfaction. And yeah.
So the point I saw in chat which sir was putting about premium pricing of iPhone. The point is how much of a premium iPhone prices their products, still they marketed, they have positioned their company very well, or they have a very good base on which customers are moving forward. So I mean the customers are depending on. So whatever
Now it is a turn for team number 5 and 6. Okay, 5 can answer for what are the things they explain for 1 minute. Then any team can defend their point. So you have to be aggressive in speaking in your point. No need to shout, but you should keep your points in front of the forum strongly. First 1 minute, the team number 5 can counter. Then when I say start, both the teams can be aggressive. You should have a leadership to lead your points. Yes, team number 5.
Yes. So you guys said that Tato Nano was one of the one of the reasons that the price was cheap. That is why the market sales went up. So what I see is that Tato Nano mainly failed not because of the pricing strategy, but because of their technical errors that Nano faced, like mainly in the technical issues, that is discomfortability in riding and things like that. So this was mainly why Tato Nano failed and not because of their pricing strategy. So the second example that you gave was on iPhones, which are highly priced. So even if you say the cheapest of the iPhones, these are highly priced, yes, of course, for their quality production, but also because they are premium products, premium companies. So these products, when comparative to the other competitors in the market, these products price mainly because of their premium or their status in the market. So so that is why these are highly priced. So that is mainly why pricing plays an important character in also positioning your status in the market among the other companies.
Yes, it's a time for both. Anyone can take a lead, whoever giving more point.
So coming to the example which Team 5 gave about Kingfisher, they gave nice products and services initially, and the price was also the same as the other companies as well. But the entire thing failed because of the product and services they offered weren't of quality. So even because of the quality and price reduced, it didn't matter because people already lost interest in the Kingfisher Airlines because of the product and service that was offered, which was very, very bad. So even if it was a high price, people didn't.
Also about Nano, Steny itself said the point. The company was more focusing on
Yes,
trying to reduce the
other
price when
team,
the
please
quality.
Interfere and give your points. You are not listening patiently to the presentation. Okay, so you can.
Yes, so I'll just answer
Kingfisher's
point first.
Let me
I'll
finish
just
my
answer
point.
that.
If I could finish my point. Okay, so Tata focused more on reducing the price and lost its control over the quality they produce. That is the whole point. They only focused on the price wherein quality was what mattered.
Yeah, so about Kingfisher, what you said earlier, Kingfisher used to give very premium. Yes,
your turn is over. Please ask some other to speak.
yes, Smita, you can carry forward.
You are wasting the time. Please utilize the seconds. Even a second matters in discussion.
Okay, since nobody is talking, I guess team 6 would again go forward. So we have another point wherein if price was the only factor that was out there, then only the cheapest products would sustain in the market. But we have products for every price range. It depends on what value the brand has to show, whatever the price may be. And about the premiumness of iPhone, you said it was their choice to price their products in a premium way. Even if they produce it even at a higher price, they actually don't need that to get the profits.
Team
It's
number
very
5, you are
cheap.
so patient, giving the
And
option to the
moreover,
competitor.
To add on to what Jacob said, coming to non-price competition, we have a company doesn't only look at price, they look at after-sales services, they look at sponsorship deals, they look at brand names, they look at publicity, free delivery, advertising, personal selling, packaging, sales, promotion, etc. So only price doesn't is a main factor towards marketing of a product and creating a brand.
So when you said about Kingfisher earlier, you said that they gave a very cheap quality product. So that was wrong actually. Kingfisher mainly gave very high premium comfortability and luxury travel to people in a very cheap price. So that was mainly their strategy, and that is mainly why Kingfisher failed. That was not because they gave cheap quality deliverance of their services. That was not why
the product
Kingfisher
services.
hired very high, these air travel luxury seat and various other things. Like even if you go air travel food services and etc., all these were provided in a very high quality in a very cheap price. That is why their sales actually went up for a shorter period of time. But on the other hand, they were having a lot of loss that was mounting up, and the debts also mounting up. So that is mainly why their pricing strategy went wrong, and mainly why Kingfisher
even if they
failed.
gave really good luxury products and they still priced at very cheap prices, the end factor is that they still failed. The company had to file for bankruptcy. They had to.
Yes, so that is why
That is the point.
what I'm trying to say is the pricing went wrong.
Even though it was still priced low, the company still failed. So that is the end factor. The end factor is that if a company is succeeding or not. But in Kingfisher's case, even though they had given them luxury products and everything, and still even the products were very cheap also, the company still failed at the.
Yes, so that is what I'm trying to say is that wrong pricing and the pricing factor plays an important role in the success and the profit earning
But
of
weren't you
a
saying
company. That is why pricing factor
saying
plays an
before that if a
important role.
company is priced low, a lot of people will buy the product? So doesn't
No, I did
that
not say that. I said right pricing is not the low pricing or high pricing. I said right pricing is important in order to earn good amount of profit.
We don't know, should we go ahead? Okay, I saw, and it's again based on Tata Nano, wherein they spoke about the quality, which I come back to the same point that I said, they just focused on how to reduce price. To reduce price, they did all the possible measures to cut down on the quality, which then people started to know like it is not worth the price. If you want a car, it doesn't mean it doesn't just because it's cheap, it doesn't serve the purpose of being a car. So that was the reason that other issues occurred, and related to that, just because the price is less, it's not necessary that the market has to be captured. And also about Kingfisher, I would like to say, it's if you say they provided it at cheaper cost than what they got it, it's pure stupidity, because if they had to get profits, they had to price at least at the minimum base. But then if they had the mentality to keep the market, they would like not have focused on giving cheaper rates, but at giving the best quality
I
and
think you're
trying to
justifying
sustain.
my own
Actually,
point.
the product
To sustain itself in the market.
Quality products, and they offer low price for it. So
That's true. Just because you give cheap products, it doesn't mean you get customers.
Yes, so our focus is not on cheap products or cheap pricing. Our focus is on right pricing.
Yeah, right pricing.
Okay, you're just sticking on to one example wherein we had given you 6 or 7 examples, if I'm not wrong. If
Yes,
you
but
give
all
us more
that was
examples,
that was countered by us.
Not at all. Not at all. Where is the counter for Polo? I'll give you another example wherein large companies have collaborations with Starbucks because they have a green marketing policy wherein they try to reduce everything possible and try to provide a better environment. They have such factors. So this is just one example of many organizations that have CSR activities or have concern for the environment. And there are businesses who are willing to partner with them just because of these factors and not about the price. We all know Starbucks coffee is not worth the price they do. But then these are some of the factors why Starbucks still sustains. So this is another example. If you want more examples, most of the luxury brands, they have their brand loyalty, their after service, qualities and all that stuff. So even if they price it high, it doesn't matter.
Okay, thank you team. Very nice discussions, but for your learning, for the class, it's okay because you are actually consolidating the points and 2 or 3 people are representing. That's fine. But when we are going for a real group discussion means you should be somewhat aggressive. One thing I have to appreciate is nobody shouted, nobody cornered other persons wrongly. That's a very nice thing. With a smile, you are giving space to others. That is fine. But out of 24 people, around 5 to 6 people are spoken means actually you are losing your space. Even if it's a team activity, you should show your uniqueness. Be unique, at the same time, stay as a team. That is the concept of marketing. Only I'm able to see only few people are speaking. When I say that people to stop mean other people are just listening. Okay, marketing is both expressing and also listening. And when you people speak, please try to have a habit of writing. For example, Jacob is saying something means write Jacob and write his point first, who are listening. Then when you're coming means please counteract, exactly say his name. Yes, I agree with Jacob with respect to this point, but I differ. That means that it shows that you listen to him. Okay, it is even a closed class, no problem saying the name, but if you go for a group discussion means you have to show to that judges or the company people, I listened. Whatever they are saying, I am listened, but I am having some alternate example. Okay, so whenever somebody is saying about a Tata Nano means, please come up with some other brand name, right? When somebody is speaking about Kingfishers, please speak about Indigo, right? That way you have to counteract. No need that you are speaking with the Nano, another people are speaking with the iPhone. Whenever they are coming with point, there are other people are there, no? You can text personally in your WhatsApp. Within few minutes, you should create a separate WhatsApp group. That is the way you should work. So one way you are speaking in the Zoom, another way you can have means whenever you are speaking, you can refer to the WhatsApp group, right? But that may not be suitable in your actual GD. But as a team, you have to think differently. So when one people is speaking, another 11 people have to think what has to be contributed to the speaker. Okay, so anyway, it's a very good try. So I received many points and all other students also listened to the respective 2 points. Okay, so we have 8 more points. Again, I will be putting in the LMS also for your reference. So next class, I might call any team to speak and any team to counter. Okay, this way next 2 to 3 hours will be going for the pricing, then finally end up with the concepts. Okay, so all the best friends. Thank you for the nice discussion. We will meet you soon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.